Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your monitor refresh rate on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button, and you want to select Settings. Select System on the left side, and then on the right, you want to go ahead and select Display. Scroll down. Underneath Related Settings, select Advanced Display. And then you want to go select your correct monitor. So if you have multiple displays, select the one you want to modify. And then choose a refresh rate. Click inside the drop down here. Now, if your monitor supports a higher refresh rate, it will give you the option. Otherwise, it may only have one option, as in my case here. But that is not unexpected in my case, but hopefully in your monitor's case, you have the option to make these adjustments. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.